Congratulations!
If you want to make $3,000 and fix your credit score, then holler at me. Follow me on TikTok right now. Let's get it. You tired of being broke? You want to invest in yourself? You tired of playing? You tired of people scamming you? You want to get your money right? Well, all you have to do is go through Chime. Chime got everything you need. Sign up with my QR code. I will have everything that you need to sign up in the description and pinned up in the comment below. All I ask is just this. It's just this. I'm gonna play the video detailing the new perks that Chime has that y'all wanna sign up. When you sign up, not only do you make me money, you also get money to yourself. And after you make your first transaction, they will double your money after you make your first transaction, which lead me to my next topic. And if y'all could just bear with me for the next few minutes, I will play the video in 1 minute, I promise y'all. But this is a video that'll make you very rich with the app, with the company Chime, Chime. And y'all, for y'all to know, I don't play. I keep it real. Time is money, and I don't got time to be having time. So you know that I got Chime. And let's go right on to Chime. That's my Chime app right there. You see Chime. I'm on Chime. Y'all, we on Chime. Here we go. Here go my code. So y'all can see it. These are the people I done transactions with. Chime is really lit. Trying to give y'all my QR code. Well, I have it in the description and I have it in the comment section. Y'all make sure y'all sign up with my code. If you sign up with my code, you get extra money. If you sign up with my code, if you do what I'm finna tell you, you will have $3,000 cash in less than 7 days. You will have a great credit score, 250 points added to your credit score in 30 to 35 days. I like to be politically correct. And you get the opportunity to get an SBA loan, but the prices do go up if you don't have a valid EIN and business credit, but I make that happen. And we got into April to maximize your tax return or do a amend tax return. If you already filed your taxes, I offer that. I offer a $400 package, but only through Chime. I will put it in the description. I will pin it up in the comment section. I no longer do Cash App. I found out Cash App is really taxing and they really taking people's information. Y'all stay away from Cash App. Hit me up on Chime, something that's safe. You understand? So it's in the description. I'm about to play the video for y'all while y'all need Chime. But make sure that y'all use my code, my QR code, or y'all make sure that y'all absolutely just type in my code whenever you sign up for Chime. And once you sign up for Chime, and they say you can pay anyone, it's easy. I'm gonna show y'all right quick. It say you can pay anyone on Chime. This how it go. You can pay anyone on Chime. 1 second, you can pay anyone on Chime. Let me see how you do it. You go right here, you see at the bottom of the screen, it say pay anyone on Chime at the bottom. You can go type in my number, my name, you get my QR code. Here go my QR code. If y'all want to scan it, I'll put it in the video. I'll put it in the video if y'all want to scan the QR code. This is in the video. This is my QR code. Y'all can scan it right now. I'll put it at the beginning and the end of the video. Y'all have a blessed day. Let's go get this money. I'll holler. Gang. The best investment is in yourself. Download Chime for free. Put my code in there. Also, send $400 so you can get the package. I know that small money can make big money. So if you dead broke and you need a free $100, first in my description and in my comment section pinned, I will put the link. If you just got a job, or you get any type of money, or you got any type of YouTube money coming in, you got any type of SSI, anything, connect your direct deposit. It's to Chime. Chime do wonders for you. Chime give you money every time you spend it. And it starts you off with $100. I swear, as soon as you do it, it'll let me know and say $100. It's pinned up in the comment section. And it's in the description. First, in the comment section and description, all you have to do is click the link. Go sign up for Chime. All they do is ask you basic information. It's no credit checks. It's no denials. They will send you out a card. But all you have to do before you even get your card is set up your direct deposit. And when you set up your direct deposit, it'll give you $100. Now, a little advice for you people. Even if you don't want to set up your direct deposit, set up your direct deposit, get the $100, then go back on the app and change it or take it off. That's a free $100. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? I'm not telling y'all to scam Chime. No, I'm just telling you to go get a free $100, man. I don't get a free $100. You get a free $100 just by signing up with the link under my name. So if you're interested in working smarter and not harder, if you're interested in being successful, if you're interested in knowing the updated and the little things that people don't tell you about how to get money, then this is the channel for you. Please subscribe. Once you subscribe, you are money harder. You is family. I am TAB Flames. I am the owner of Global Drippin, and I am the owner of Money Harder. So I see y'all at the top. Please subscribe. See y'all at the top. But get Chime. It's first in the description, first in the comment section. I see y'all on the other end. Free $100. Think about it. If you get $100 10 times, that's 1,000. It's the way you think of things. You get 10 hustles. So this will start you off. You on 0. This will get you to 100. All you got to do is do that 9 more times. You to 1,000. I'm gone. Pop my collar. Gang.
Congratulations!